Trish. I'm 37 years old. I decided to have a breast augmentation surgery. I came to the decision by looking around at some of my friends that have also completed this surgery. It's something I've always wanted to do. Sitting down one day with one of my friends, we were talking about the fact that after 3 children, clothes don't fit exactly the way they want to. The bathing suit top may not fit exactly the way you think it's going to. And your dresses, even though they look great and you can zip them, they don't exactly fit exactly the way you want them to. So I sat down with my husband, we discussed it, and he pretty much said after 3 children I can do whatever I want to. And I am going to have my surgery done this month. I'm looking forward to it. A little nervous about going in and having elective surgery since before this time I haven't done anything but have children. But I'm excited and I can't wait to go to the beach and have on a bathing suit that fits right, not have to shop at the 2 different size racks. And I'm looking forward to just feeling better about myself. My friends are very excited. I actually went this weekend to my husband's 20-year reunion, and as we sat and talked further and caught up with people, and actually even sat with my friends that I see every day, but due to work and children and just the busyness of our lives, we don't really get to talk much. And when I told them that I was coming in to have this surgery, they were just astounded. And not only were they amazed that I was going to go actually through with it, as they said, but they all wanted to know who was doing my surgery because they had been thinking about doing the same thing. And it's funny how in our age group is of a group of ladies that have all had 2 or 3 children and getting a little bit closer to 40, how we all think about doing things, but there's not so many of us that actually go through with it. And I think that we all gain strength from having the other person go first, so to speak. I have a friend that is 6 weeks on post-op, and she has definitely been the guinea pig. And we went to lunch this past week, and of course we left the restaurant to go by my house so she could show me her scars and tell me exactly what I was going to go through when I got mine done. And I have to say that they look very nice, and I can't wait to compare, for lack of a better word. I chose Dr. Spence because I've had the privilege of knowing him for about 3 years. I've watched him grow his practice, and I've watched how his patient care just seems extraordinary. I have gotten to know him not as a surgeon, but more as someone learning about how he runs his business and how he wants his patient care to be the #1 focus. And I really just felt comfortable with him and felt that I would be in very good hands. When I was looking at choosing a plastic surgeon, not only did I want to look at the fact that obviously all of Orlando thinks he's #1 since he's been ranked so many times, but I have several of my friends that have come here and felt very comfortable with the process, very comfortable with all of the staff. And I've also had the privilege of seeing his work, so I felt like this was the place for me. I have 3 children, 3 boys, and I have to be honest, they're 12, 10, and 3, and the 12 and the 10-year-old I sent to San Francisco with my sister-in-law for almost 2 weeks. So not that I'm sure they'll notice that I've had this done, but it just wasn't something that I wanted to have them watch me go through. I have a 3-year-old son, and when I had a C-section and had him, they were both so worried about me and worried about me laying in bed and not playing with them and being on the floor and not being able to do things with them, that I decided it'd be best for them not to be there. And as far as arranging all of this, I had my wonderful mother-in-law come stay with me, so my husband's in charge of our 3-year-old, and I'm just going to have to make this a me moment for the next 6 weeks and not do most of the things that I usually do. But I'm pretty confident that I can rely on my family and my friends to truck in the groceries and pick up the child from daycare and do some of those things that I used to do. And with any luck, my husband will just continue to do all of those things, and I'll just stay the princess forevermore.